Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will discuss this article. In my opinion, in Indonesia, the month of Ramadan is always greeted with enthusiasm by the community. Not only that, there are a lot of traders who sell starting from street vendors. Then usually there is a Ramadan Bazaar and so on. In Malaysia, in the month of Ramadan, there is always a Ramadan Bazaar. In 2022, traders will experience an increase in sales. Unlike the previous year, which was a bit hit with buyer due to COVID-19. For me, in Indonesia, the month of Ramadan for traders also experience an increase in sales, but not like before the COVID-19 outbreak. In Indonesia, in the month of Ramadan, there are lots of traders who sell everything from food, specialties, regional snack, and special drink. In Malaysia, the Ramadan Bazaar sells various kinds of food. In Indonesia, the month of Ramadan is arguably one of the most interesting things about a tradition. The community has its own tradition in celebrating the holy moon, including the popular iftar menu and must be eaten by the Indonesian people. Moreover, I live in East Java where there are various types of regional specialties such as takjil. The first to pick the fast is kolak. Kolak is a trendy dessert and a must during Ramadan because of its soothing taste and super sweet taste with a warm and cozy texture. You can easily find kamput at street vendors and restaurants throughout Indonesia, or make your own kamput and enjoy it with your family. The second thing that I often encounter is bread snack. People make bread food as a must-have snack. Therefore, there are many bread food selling well in the afternoon. Bread snack ranging from bread bananas, tempe mendoan, bakwan, and so on. Bread snack are indeed foods that must be present during the month of Ramadan and must be purchased. You can't forget. Ramadan, or the month of fasting, is usually warmly welcomed by Muslims. In my area, there is the Mekengan tradition. Mekengan tradition is unique tradition because this tradition is not found on other area. Mekengan can mean to hold back. Mekengan means holding back the passion associated with eating, drinking, and so on. At the time of Mekengan, people will gather in the mosque or prayer room to pray together by bringing food, fruit, and so on. In Java, where I live, there is a tradition of welcoming the month of Ramadan. When it is about to enter the month of Ramadan, some people in my area in Java will make a pilgrimage or visit the grave, usually done a few days before the month of Ramadan arrives, where people will visit relatives who have died. The aim is to pray for relative who have passed away and clean the grave of which and sow new flower again. In addition, the existence of the tradition of Naikar, or pilgrimage to the grave before the month of Ramadan is also to improve our spirituality as human. If we are actually just waiting for the time of death. Thus, when we remember that, we will avoid all bad deeds and ask forgiveness of sin which is conducted. Not only that, during the month of Ramadan, there is a characteristic in Indonesia, namely when dawn arrives, usually the community or young boys wake up sahur. Usually they will go around the village past resident houses, and usually they will wake the resident accompanied by pastoral music.